Right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. So this was bench press day, but my back started spasming on my last deadlift day last Thursday. This is Saturday. I wanted to get my 440 by 2, which I was supposed to get on Thursday. I wasn't planning on pulling 440 today, but I walked in the gym, 440 was still loaded on the bar, so I didn't do any warm-ups, just put the straps on, threw the belt on, and managed to get my 440 for a double, so I was happy with that. Then it was time to move on to bench press, so just been easing my way back into bench press with this bicep tendon and supraspinatus injuries. Finally getting to the point where I can move a little bit of volume. Bicep tendon still on the eccentric. That's really the only place I have a problem. It kind of just feels dead on the left side, halfway down. But as I warm up, it tends to get a little bit better. So this is my second warm-up set, 205 by 5. This is the heaviest set of 5 I've done since these injuries in September. Then I just went on to singles, so 242. My heaviest I've done in the last few weeks is 255. So here's 253. Goal today was to get 260. The left side is super laggy right now. It's just not generating as much power as my right side. So I kind of got to hold back on the right side and let the left side catch up during the rep. There you go. You can see it really clearly at 260. It was a grind, but we got it.
Woo! That was a tough rep.
Now, just the last couple of weeks here, I've been able to get back into incline cable presses without any pain in my shoulder. So just 60 pounds per hand here. And what I've been doing is 3 times a week I've been hitting these, just building up my work capacity and my tendon strength, hitting high reps on these. So 3 sets of 15. I've been jumping up 5 pounds a week. So just continue to do that, let these build. And then at the same time, I'll start slowly adding more volume into my barbell bench work. I've also been doing some dumbbell work a couple days a week as well. The cables and the dumbbells challenge the stabilizers more than the barbell does. So I challenge my ability to stabilize weight more so. So we're just going to keep building that stuff up and let this left side try to even out and catch back up to my right side. After that, did pull-ups, triples today. So I'd been working on doubles. Now we're going to build up triples. So 22 pounds, 44 pounds. And then my top sets, a couple sets at 66 pounds. And that was it for the Saturday workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.